5 next level axes. Check this out. First one is Adventure Made, and this thing is insane. So pull this out. There's a cover right here, but yeah, there's an axe, and you push this. Let's see, and then just, yeah, there's a safety. Push it harder. Flip this out and remove it. The whole axe will come out. There is a saw. Flip it over. Flip it over where the clip is, and then lock it back up. We have right here a saw with 2 hands. Awesome. Again, safety. Safety is really good. Remove this. What else do we have? There's a fire striker, multiple blades in here. Looks like we have 3 blades. And there is a shovel right here. Let's see how shovel works real quick. There's opening, locks in, boom. So we have regular shovel. Then if I press the pin, where is that? Removes it. I can either bring out a different shovel in case this one gets old, replacement, or I can put it this way. I don't know how this works yet. There you go. Locks in. There's a button, and now it's locked. There you go. And then we can digging tool, very heavy shovel. I like it in case you get stuck in the sand on a beach, or got stuck in the snow. You have like a snow shovel. I like this protective little sleeve, so whenever we pull it out, it's all covered up. Oh wow. Then again, maybe they will invent other tools to invent in here. So remove that, and then back to the axe, and it will go this way, and I'll lock it. Love it. Super nice. I can put it all away. Oh yeah, the pin and this will stay together, but I do like it how it's all takes apart. Locks in, boom, and then this goes, covers up. Comes with a, again, fire striker. Super easy. Let's cover it up. By the way, it's coming out really soon. It still wasn't a successful Kickstarter. There you go, super awesome. Now I have a couple other. This is new ones. It's axe and a saw. This is the old one with the Zippo. And the biggest difference, yes, this Zippo axe bigger, but look at that. That's not very smart. There's not much can be caught beyond this point. So this is our material. Have improved it by making it a little bit of a groove out here, whatever you call it, a ball, so we can cut it. But yeah, all it is just unspin it right here, and it's like once it's unspins it, release it, and then unclip it. And then we have right here a saw. Oh yeah, it's tight. Boom, remove that, release that. We have actual axe, and there's a compartment for multiple saws and other things. Locks it in. We have right here an axe and a hammer right here. Beautiful. And whenever we're done with it, just put it all away and clip it, and then toss it up. Done. This one a little bit different. Same thing. How do you untwist that? I think I need to do this first. Same thing, kinda. Untwist it this way. So it's definitely improved quite a bit. Okay, there you go. This one is old. I actually use it a lot. Okay, there has a tensioner on it. There you go. Unspin it. There's a little spring on here. And put it to right here. Multiple blades. There you go. Lock this up. Lock it. We have right here an axe. Very cool. By Zippo. Everybody knows that brand. Lock it and twist it up. You all locked up and ready to go. Same thing. Hammer right here. Okay. Next I have right here Wrangler tools. Check this out. This one is pretty new as well, from last year. There's a handle. There's a shorter handle. two different type of tools. Then comes in a box one of these things. I got it with the pick. There is other things with the hammer in the back of it, different kinds. So which way do we drop it? This way. Boom. And then just hit it a couple of times and we have an axe. Just like that. How cool is that? And then I'll hit it on the ground and it comes off because it gets quite tight. And then same thing here. Boom. Hit it on the ground. Don't want to damage the table. We have a little hatchet. Very cool. Very comfortable. And you know what? I guess, let me see. I guess if I grab it this way and flip it over, I have a hatchet this way to kind of hit it with a better handle right here. So I can even use that, flip it over. And one more. This one been around a bit longer. CRKT axe. And all we have is a stick and a tool. So it's kind of easier to pocket, I guess. I replace it, whatever the tool. This part is not sharp, but this one is. Hammer on this side will be different. And a stick. And then just hit it on the ground one time and we have an axe. Good. And then to remove it, hit it like this and that's it. Very cool. I like that one a lot. Which one is your guys' favorite? I think I have more. Let me go grab it. Couple of bonus gadgets. I found this new Swish Tech, a little folding saw. Boom. This is kind of nice in case you don't want an axe, but kind of similar design. You open this up that the axe have, and then you tension it up, and also it can be spun up and down for the better tensioning. So real quick, lock it up, and then once I grab this and then lock it, we have a nice saw, very lightweight. I like this. And then once I'm done with this, I twist it, flip it over, lock it, and then this will plug in here and locks in here. Let's see, why is this in the way? Oh, just push it a bit more and let's go out of the way. That's it, it's locked in. What do you guys think about this one? It looks like a Gerber one, but a little bit different design. I actually do have the Gerber one. Instead of sliding in and out, what's this? Oh, this way. You open it this way and then flip it around, and it is a bit smaller too. And you have same thing, adjustable hook. Yeah, there you go. Lock it in and then push it. Boom. Versus this one, I feel like I like it a bit better, because instead of lock it in, the whole thing slides in here. Put it away. Boom.